Gotcha. You can see here, look, see what I mean about the actual pin?
Yeah.
I've actually finished that one off.
Right.
So they've not actually nipped it off and then hammered it down, they just left the pin as it is.
Mm-hmm.
So if you want to come in a bit closer, you'll see how that's how the pin looks when it comes through. You've got a very small copper disc.
Yeah.
And then when it's actually hammered down, see how it flattens out and spreads out?
Yeah.
So that's how it should end up when it's actually done properly, but they must have just missed that out and they're actually putting that plank in.
Yeah.
That one's been replaced and they've just forgotten. You can tell by how old the actual copper disc is.
Yeah.
Compared to one of these original ones.
Yeah.
And that one's been replaced at some point in the past. And I've forgotten to actually cut that one off. But that's how it actually looks as the nail goes through. That washer goes over the top. It's quite thin, quite narrow, shall I say. And then when it's actually hammered down, that's how it looks. Right, so anyway, I'm going to start grinding some of these
Off.
heads off. So I don't have to step back a little bit. And